Ang video na ito ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano natin i-delete permanently yung ating Lazada account. So, open lang natin yung Lazada account kung gusto nyo burahin yung account ninyo dito sa ating Lazada. So, open natin yung Lazada, tapos click natin yung profile. Dito naman ay may makikita tayong settings sa taas. Click lang natin yung settings. Settings na logo. Dito naman ay security account. So, click natin yung account security. Tapos, dito may account deletion. Click natin yung account deletion. Account deletion, security verifications. So, pipili tayo ng kung sa email ba or sa mobile phone is send yung verification codes. Click natin yung mobile verification. Tapos dito send code via SMS or sa WhatsApp. So antayin, please slide verify. Click natin yung please slide verify. Tapos magantay tayo ng verification code na i-text sa ating mobile number. So magantay tayo ng verification code. So ayan, dumating na yung code natin, yung verification code. So verified code, click natin yung verify code. Dito naman ay pipili tayo ng reason for account deletion. So mayroon tayong option change registered mobile number. So click natin yung not using this account anymore. Click lang natin. Tapos click natin yung confirm. So dito naman ay basahin natin yung account deletion. Tapos click lang natin yung I have read and agree with account deletion terms. Click natin yung confirm. Tapos magantay tayo. I-check nila kung mayroon pa tayong order or mayroon pa tayong balance sa ating Lazada account. Account deletion failed. Your most recent order was completed within 14 days. 40 days. Account cancellation is not supported. Temporary. Please try again. So, ibig sabihin nun is maghantay pa ako ng 40 days bago ma-delete yung ating account. Kasi may order pa ako na darating pa. So, ganun lang yung process kung paano natin i-delete yung Lazada account natin. So, ganun lang kasimple kung paano burahin yung ating Lazada account.